me that you are just another girl. How the phone just looks you gave me were real. What if I ripped your heart right apart this evening? Then you know how I feel. Acting almost like you never come for me. It's just my luck to end up getting stuck to everything you are. So tonight I'll sit and think about your pictures. Overanalyze your words. The truth is I've never fallen so hard. Take everything because you forget your sweater so far. I can honestly say that I never, ever, ever felt this way. Your lips, your eyelashes, your skin. These are the parts of your body that cause my comatose to begin. I can honestly say that I never, ever, ever felt this way. Your lips, your eyelashes, your skin. These are the parts of your body that cause my comatose to begin. I will sleep another day, but don't really need to anyway. What's the point when the dreams are infected with the words you used to say? I will breathe in the moment, as long as I keep my distance, knowing when I wanna go messing anything up. Just don't go worrying about me. It's not like I think about you.